Today we're looking at this RollAway bed. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, put it together for you, and my son is going to demo it and give you his honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. In the box, you're going to have the bed, the hardware, the casters, the support bars, the tools, and the instruction manual. This was very easy to assemble. I did this completely solo from start to finish, and it only took me about 20 minutes. I used a T-wrench instead of the Allen wrench to make it easier to screw the screws in. This does have 4 locking casters. All you do is push the levers down to lock the wheels in place. Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
It's memory foam, you know.
I can tell. It's squishy. It's just the right amount of memory foam, too.
Not like your bed upstairs, because your entire bed is made of memory foam.
Yeah. This is perfect. This is literally, it's like, it's just enough support, just enough firm, and you it absorbs. And the rolly part is with it?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, I'll take this in my room, and when your significant other bothers you, you can say, "Oh, I'm going to the small bed," and then this is the perfect bed. You're just gonna fold it up like this, and then there's a clip that you pull over to the opposite side to lock it in place, and then the casters make it easy to just roll it away. That's why they call it a roll-away bed.